Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone, update Miui and back up any custom themes because changes can alter quick settings. Once done, go straight into Settings and type Control Center in the search bar to jump to the correct panel. You want to be in the system UI controls, not a third-party app. This first step ensures you're editing the built-in control center and avoids accidental overrides. Make sure your device is unlocked and has developer-like permissions enabled if prompted so the next steps appear. Now continue by switching the layout. Choose Control Center or Notification Shade depending on your preference and tap the layout option to apply it. Once active, press Edit or the pencil icon to open tile customization. Drag to reorder, add new tiles from the available list, and remove ones you don't use. You can also change appearance settings like transparency, columns, and whether Control Center opens with a swipe down. Doing this lets you tailor both function and look for faster access. Finish by saving your edits and testing the new Control Center. Swipe from the top right and top left to confirm behavior and tile functionality. If something acts up, force stop the system UI process or simply reboot the device to reload the new configuration. Make sure to verify gestures work after a restart. If controls still misbehave, clear the Settings app cache or reset the Control Center to default. This usually fixes conflicts introduced by themes or third-party launchers and restores reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.